Hi, my name is Rajas. In today's video, I will explain to all of you about the type of sound effect that is suitable for the facial expression. So, during this video, I will use English language to explain all about this video. So what I do is, firstly, I will let you all to listen to the sound effect. Next, I will explain what type of face expression that is suitable for that kind of sound effect. And then I will give some example. So without further ado, let's jump straight to the video. Listen to the first sound effect. So this is the type of sound effect that you can use for the person that might be waiting for something, wondering of something, or might be remembering of something. For example, listen to the second sound effect. So this is the type of sound effect that is very suitable for you to use for a person that is feeling angry, feeling mad, feeling blow up, feeling depressed. For example, yes. Now, let's listen to the next sound effect. So this is the sound effect that is very suitable for you to use for a person that might be happy, might be having a good day, receiving a gift from anyone. For example, so now let's jump to the number 4 sound effect. So this is the type of sound effect that is very suitable for you to use for a person that facing a scary moment, a scary situation. For example, so we come to the final sound effect. This is the type of sound effect that is very suitable for a person that feeling sad, feeling give up, and feeling down. Take some example. So the beneficial of sound effect for the face expression is more important for the theater, because it can help the character to deliver the message more clearly for the viewers or for the audience that is look at the theater. Next, it helps the character to be more realistic and can help and can influence the audience to feel what the character is feel. Last but not least, it also can help the video be more entertained and be more joyful for the viewers. So this is the end of my workshop video. Till next time, bye bye.